So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Rinnai RU199 interior water heater. This is not the water heater, obviously, but we ran a dedicated gas line from the outside. So you can see over here, brand new. So gas line coming off the meter, tied in. And then stubbed in here. So you can see, and these are all the Megapress fittings. So pipe up and up over the doorway, and then comes down, straps, valve, and then a 3/4 supply over there. So I think it's total. I think we're about probably 25 feet total. And so this is gonna 199. That's gonna work great. Dedicated line. It'll fire all the way to that if it has to. Water lines were up there, copper, and so we just piped them over and down, hot and cold. Got them over to here. Gave me an isolation valve kit. So this is how you flush your water heater. And I'll have my daughter remind me to send the documents we told you about, what material to buy for it. It's about probably $75, no, maybe $100 total investment. But then every year you're going to spend about $10 to $12 on vinegar, and that's it, as opposed to paying us $250 or other plumbing companies $400 to come out and flush this once a year. So that's it. That's for the copper. This is the relief line. So this guy right here just dumps down and stubs out the side of the building, and then this guy right here, condensate line, dumps out the side of the building. This was pretty saturated, pretty wet, and so we'll try and pump this full of some silicone or some caulking just to close up this hole a little bit, but it's wet from the other water heater leaking. You can see the stains on the wall. And that was the old gas line capped off, so that's good. It's the old relief line capped off. We just crimped on a copper press fitting, and then that's hand tight. You know, it's just a dead relief line, but we just wanted to get that on there so you don't bump it and cut yourself. We did use your extension cord, so I apologize for that, but we wanted to get it up and running. So if you want to, you can just get a little 4-footer from Home Depot, maybe a 6-footer, and same thing, just plug it back in and bring it over here and tie it in. I recommend bringing electrical over here, maybe just a surface mount box, just mount it right there, and then you can just plug this straight in. And we sent you a referral for that, so you can do that. It'll just come off of that outlet and go over to there, so that's good. Intake right there. I won't go back outside, but it's capped off at the top, and then on the outside it goes to the old, this was a direct vent water heater, and so there's a big bonnet out there, so we just drilled the face of it out and ran the pipe through. And then of course that's the termination, that's the exhaust, and it goes up and out and terminates there. We do have a ring on the inside and the outside, just kind of cap it off a little bit so that looks nice. But anyways, everything here looks good outside of that. This installation is done.